Mathias Ezeaku, either you are the one that challenged him for miracle or he's the one that challenged you, I don't know. Then he invited you over. You collect Ben Johnson. In that your you say nobody sees you again. You run. You are nowhere to be found. Is it true? Either at a Navy or somewhere in Anambra State, something of that nature, that either you fix the date, you are the one that fixed the date, but that particular day, nobody sees you. Okay. How does it happen? Or just a rumor?
Okay, no, it wasn't a rumor, and it wasn't exactly the narrative they gave.
Okay.
So they changed the narrative. They missed the whole thing. Number one, it wasn't a direct challenge to Mathias Ezeaku. A pastor came out. Anybody can be a pastor.
Yeah.
He came out, I don't know where his ministry is. And they started talking about challenging Mathias. They should bring people that he will heal. Okay. The pastor gave dates and other stuff. So at the end, the pastor didn't come. So they were not rejoicing. One man even brought minibus and said that let somebody come and heal this and that. One, God is not a monkey boy. He's not our classmates or age grade. You don't challenge God in healing. Are you following? No man of God will accept that, and Spirit of God will work with that person. It doesn't work that way. So when that man of God, so I came out and they blamed the man of God, saying, who ordered you to come and take up that challenge? Yeah. Finally, you have brought this shame upon yourself. Well, I don't know who called you. I said, Mathias, okay, let us put healing by the side. Let us go and ask Ndio Kamota, professors in medical field. Since you believe in medical, that's what I told him.
Okay.
Let's ask them. We can choose General Teaching Hospital Newi as a venue.
Okay.
Choose a date. Let us ask professors in medicine.
Okay.
Is there anything like a healing? Let's make
supernatural healing.
Let's forget about pastor and the demonstration, because God cannot partake in
Is
that
there anything
nonsense.
like supernatural healing?
Something that is beyond human intervention.
Yeah.
And the spirit being or whosoever they believe. Because Mathias doesn't believe in anything spirit, but he calls the gods of our forefathers. Is that not confusion? Of course, he will say the gods of our ancestors. And you don't believe that spiritual sickness. Once there is spirit, there are a whole lot, hovering around spiritual things. So I now said, okay, choose a date. He chose a date. So I was too busy for that, coming, because the noise is too much. Finally, like I said, children hunters, when they are coming into the bush for hunting, and an elder hunter is in the bush, definitely you have to go home, because with the noises of the children, all the animals will now go back to their holes. You know that.
Okay, no, I got you.
Ajibusu, all this masquerade that wears all this what do you call it, sack materials, and the jere, the highest masquerade they can't operate
at the same time.
Are you following?
Yeah.
So I can't go. The kind of noise they make is too childish for me.
Are they present in that